Hi everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary, and once again I am back with a new Excel function that is called filter function. Filter function in Excel is a powerful function that allows you to filter a data based on a specific conditions. This function has released in 2020, and the filter function is a part of new dynamic array function in Excel. So let's understand what is filter function. Filter function filters a range of data based on a specified condition and returns a filtered range of data. Its syntax is equals to filter bracket start array comma include comma if empty. It's an optional argument. So let's understand one by one what is array. The range of data which you want to filter includes the condition or criteria which you want to apply to the data, and if empty, it's an optional argument if the value to return if the filter range of empty. So let's understand the benefits of filter function. It's easy to use. The filter function is straightforward and easy to apply. Flexible, you can use multiple conditions and criteria to filter your data. Dynamic, the filter function returns a dynamic array, which means it will automatically adjust to change in your data. In summary, the filter function is a powerful, flexible tool in Excel that allows you to filter data based on your specified condition. Its ease of use, flexibility, and dynamic nature make it valuable addition to your Excel toolkits. So now let's move on to the Excel to learn practically how this function works. So now let's learn how this function works practically. So let's apply equals to filter. Now start bracket. It's asking to select the array. So this time array is entire data, comma. Now it's asking to select includes. So this time our include is category equals to this filter, comma, double quotation open, no match found. If cells are empty, close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you get the answer as this one. Now you can see if you change the category furniture to medicine, the data will automatically changing. Medicine to food item, the data is changing. So this function is working. Similarly, now let's see if we apply filter function for the value in numeric. So let's see equals to filter. Now it's asked to select the array. So this time entire data is array, comma, the include is this time this one value greater than 45,000, comma, double quotation open, no match found, double quotation close, bracket close, hit the enter, and now you get the answer as this one. So if you can change here 45 to 50,000, 50,000, so data is changing. Now if you want to here from greater than to less than, so data is changing. 40,000 to 20,000, data is no match found. So this no match found, It's 65,000. So it's changing. Data is changing. So this function is working.
So now let's know how filters work with multiple countries. So let's apply filter also select the ways and apply this comma at the start. Now substitute that include this time order to this every column equals to this include that close start and second condition and this category before applying to start bracket second condition equals to and condition is join close bracket comma is no font with entity no match or will close with the bracket with the enter. How is it now? This one. Now let's see one more time how this function works. With or this function will work with multiple conditions. This category is medicine, so there is no or you will have a filter because similarly if you want to change here medicine to food item, food item, food items, design changing and furniture, furniture to design changing. So filter function with and function multiple conditions this function works this way. Now filter function with or this function works like this. Filter select the array, comma, let the start. Now to select the show. So I will run this one, comma, this, let it close. Now plus now again, let the start again, select the zone equals to this one, close, comma, you press an open, match home, very good, close the bracket, hit enter, it is done. So this basis filter function works with multiple conditions. So this is how you can use filter function for workplace and day-to-day work. I hope you guys have learned a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next video with the next interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Happy learning.